Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing great. Today, uh, as part of this network engineering series, I would like to give some inputs about the the calculations. Yes, in previous videos, you might have seen about the nerves of the engineering, network engineering. So as part of this, uh, yes, any engineer should be very good at the numbers. Not only the engineer, any profession should have that number correct, be it a doctor or auditor or mm, anyone, even history, whoever. The numbers are very crucial, especially here in this network engineering, because every bit matters, right? So the systems are calculating the time, the distance, the nodes, the hops, uh, and the packet header, the payload, so the data content, the encryption, everything matters. So as an if you choose to be a successful network engineer, if you want to be a successful network engineering profession, you should be very good at numbers. It doesn't mean that if and no one other than the mathematical person cannot enter into it. So I'm giving this input that you should have very good at the numbers. If you're not sure or if you're not clear on these numbers, then you do the homework before even going and understanding the protocols, the headers, the packet structure, whatever the network engineering term. So I'm not talking anything about network engineering at all, but to pave you the base, right? So what sort of a numbers? So digital, say the decimal numbers from your education. If you are an engineering background or a certain computer background, you already aware of binary conversion, hexadecimal stuffs. Even in your schools, you might have gone through these stuffs. Even then, you should have very good clarity on these number conversion, because the computer terminal speaks only with the numbers, on or off, the logic numbers, digital logics. So to get to the bottom of any calculation, because I see even the successful engineers are struggling in certain calculations. Even while taking a crucial decision, they feel challenging because of the less clarity on the numbers. Though they know the numbering, this is how the digital, the decimal to binary or binary to decimal conversion happens. However, it should be here. If you know how to convert in a paper, and you think that it is, you are familiar, then you are one step lower than the actual successful engineer. So what I would suggest, you already know what sort of a numbers you should learn, all these stuffs. So what I'm giving you is, you be the specific person, whatever it takes, you should be calculating in any manner. Say for example, a packet is traveling from India to America, America to Europe or to Australia. So how much time it takes, what sort of a payload it is carrying, and what sort of a medium it is traveling through, wireless, through fiber, through light, through copper. So there are various things should come into your mind. Only then you will be able to visualize how the packet is traversing across this globe or across this universe, because the network engineering role goes beyond these planets. So I believe it makes sense, whatever the topic I'm talking today. So work a lot on that. So we will go sometime later on the real technical part. And I'm this sort of a videos I'm giving you the base. So if you know this, even you yourself can understand, and then you can build up your technical capabilities. Thank you very much for your attention today, and we'll see you in some other videos. Bye bye.